State lawmakers joined labor leaders to address the nurses' strike at MercyHealth East Clinic that we've been covering since it started in July. Workers went on strike July 2nd after a month and a half of negotiations between the union and MercyHealth. Now, labor leaders say MercyHealth management has refused to move on patient and employee safety issues, so the strike will continue past its 2-month mark.
Not just about one clinic, our clinic, Mercy East. It is about the soul of Wisconsin. From Janesville to Milwaukee, from barns to the classroom, from factory floors to hospital and clinics, workers are under attack by corporate greed.
Nurses say they're striking for better working conditions, pay, and benefits. WMTV 15 News have asked for interviews with MercyHealth in the past. They previously sent us this statement back in July saying in part, quote, "Throughout our negotiations with the union, we have always treated our 137 partners at MercyHealth East in a fair and equitable manner, consistent with our other 8,000 plus employees, partners."